All right, next level unlocked. This was like the point where I stopped yesterday, and Bernie came out and helped me do all this stuff. We cleared all of this. Just a good amount, let's say. And then we are stopping right here. And it's a good point to call it a day. I gotta go tattoo. But I'm gonna clear this out. It's gonna be like a off-camber roll coming through there. So most likely this is gonna be the entrance where you get into the downhill. And you go up this way and then sink into the oaks. Pretty stoked. It's like everything's looking awesome. Can't wait to be able to ride this.